Cadaver is our first teacher. Welcome to one video of the Fu Medical College.
My name is Prerna Bharali and I will be your host for today's video. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to each and everyone for taking the time to join us today. Your presence will surely make it even more beautiful.
Today we stand before you to pay tribute to a very special teacher. One who has taught us the intricacies of the human body.
Let the confidence grow throughout the years that you have in medical science and turn out to be very confident not only in your public speaking but more in medical science.
कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है श्रेष्ठ बलिदान। आशा करती हूँ आप सभी को ये कविता पसंद आएगी। बेजान से उस शब्द का मैं शुक्र अदा करना चाहती हूँ जिन्होंने 100 बार स्वयं को हमें उनके लिए मैं शब्द बयां करना चाहती हूँ कि उनका ये समर्पण हमें क्या खुद सिखा गया। विज्ञानियों के ज्ञान समय हमें बलिदान का पाठ करा गया। ये सोचती हूँ का अंदर मन उनसे क्या कहता होगा कि अंतिम पल का एहसास मुझे मेरी रूह देह को त्याग देगी। मेरे शरीर की बलिदानी ना जाने कितनों को श्रेष्ठ ज्ञान देगी और हम इस श्रेष्ठ ज्ञान के रोगी अरोग बेचैनी का हल बनेंगे। उस शब्द की शुक्रगुजारी हम इस कदर उनका सम्मान करेंगे कि लड़ेंगे हर पल आगे बढ़ जाने के लिए कि रखेंगे ध्यान उनके बलिदान का। ये सफर जो हमारे पुराण का कई लंबी रात का कई छोटी बड़ी बात का और कुछ इंतजार का। शुक्रिया उन सभी जन के साहसपूर्ण विकल्प का। शुक्रिया हमारे लान में साथ ले जाने के लिए। शुक्रिया हमारे सभी की बहन किरण बन जाने के लिए। शुक्रिया हमारे सफर को सफल बनाने के लिए और शुक्रिया हमारा पहला अध्यापक बन जाने के लिए।
No, this can't be. There must be something right? Some other treatment, some other doctors, some other hospitals. Is that something?
As he went to a meditation on his experience on the Cadaver.
I'd like to narrate my experience about after joining the medical science, as my topic would be Cadaver as our first teacher. After joining this field, the medical science, and entering the medical college, it was huge honor for us and each of my batchmates. When I first entered the dissection hall, a sense of curiosity, fear I was very with. Slowly, when I first saw the cadaver in front of my eyes, my body was shivering a bit. I used to think that this is the person which lived on the same planet. He used to walk on the same earth as we would do, and he's just lying still. Our first lesson, which was not taught just by professors alone, but also by a silent teacher, cadaver.
When we took the cadaver course, we paid our respects to our first teacher, which is the cadaver. So, in our poster again, we have shown the way how to obtain a cadaver. We have here the cadaver code. We have shown how to respect the cadaver, which is one of the most important things which we have to follow in our dissection class. We also have here our dissection kit, which is one of the most important things for us to learning process. Now, the cadaver not only teaches us in the dissection class, we make incisions, we reflect the skin, we learn about organs, arteries, veins, nerves, but that is not all we learn. We also learn how to work as a team, how to respect a person, how to about emotional resilience, about professionalism, because as students, the caliber is the first real body that we work with. So it teaches us how to act as a doctor or even as a human being. It teaches us the meaning of life. So with this, I would like to say that we always have to respect the caliber.
Respecting the caliber is essential for medical students, healthcare workers, and anyone who works with or encounters deceased individuals. Caliber should be handled gently, with care, avoiding any unnecessary manipulation or force. It should be positioned in a respectful and dignified manner. Thank you, Maya and Nancy. It was a wonderful presentation. Now I would like to call on
What did you make it? Excuse me, huh? I'll get ready. Why is it shrunken? Zero in first year. Okay. I'll get ready.
And my name is Manju Marshall, and here is my colleague, Subarra and Nafra. So, I would like to deliver a few lines on caliber. As we gather to honor and acknowledge one of the most profound and selfless gifts that persons can offer, their body for medical advancement. As we step into vast and intricate world of medicine, we owe our deepest thanks to the caliber who was once a person and now who is dead. And who is dead but teaches us so many things. Caliber is not just the body, it's our first patient. It's our first teacher, and it teaches us about interactions between the mortality of human beings. So besides academic aspects, it teaches us about respect, responsibility, empathy, and every decision we make, every effort we place. It reminds us about the person who was once a living being and had a life, and had a love, and had a family. As we embark on this journey, I'd like to conclude our presentation. Thank you.
ধুনীয়া হৈছে skeleton মাজত মানে skeleton. What is this meaning? What is this meaning? Meaning bolo. মানে দুই পিনে মোনালিসা টাক ডিসেক্ট করা টাইপৰ.
We try to combine the creativeness with drawing.
Keep it nicely, huh?
Let us now welcome the great sacrifice made by that noble soul and his family by donating his body. It is their selflessness that helps the medical students to learn and be able to work for the betterment of the society. That noble soul whose body is used as a caliber teaches us as our very first teacher. It shows us the beauty in human anatomy, which is the foundation and building block of our talent and learning the art of healing. Last but not the least, through this deed, I, on behalf of our whole batch, would like to pay homage to the souls.
This collage is representing
preparation for every medical student that marks in their life. And there are many great minds and historians who would like to tell their stories. That are basically the first person who ever dissected the human body in the conversation is the King of Years, and the first person and the first Indian to ever dissect a human body in India had been Calcutta Medical College in 1833. His name was Bandu Madhusudan.
And lastly, the bottom we have the final stage that the student is able to perform successfully on the education. So that's it for
Next, I would like to call upon stage Vinayak and Anubhav. They will present us with some performance.
I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to respected principal, Professor Dr. Sumitra Kajimir, Head of Anatomy, Professor Dr. Ritu Salan, Head of Department of Physiology, Dr. Vipti Manya, Dr. Ravasa, Dr. Barasa. I would like to start with the introduction to as everybody have already gotten by now the organization refers to the Country Act of donating one's body after death for medical education and research. It has many significances. The students already know how important it is for them, and dangerous vessels published supply wasn't there, so you can see in this image two fine gentlemen beginning a grade to steal. Then we have come to our presentation. Hope you like it. I'd like to present to Prerna for our
Citation. A round of applause, please.
Today I would like to present a poem on the first teacher to pay a tribute to the first teacher in our medical college, silent teacher of our medical. The silent teacher. Upon this paper, sealed clear, lies wisdom deep, beyond boundary. No voice you raise, no breath you take. Yet countless healers you lead. Yet countless healers you lead. With careful hands which start to raise the hidden truths in tiny space. Through every nerve, through every vein. Through every nerve, through every vein, we learn to heal, to ease the pain.
Modify this to আমার edit di diba magazine
Presenter myself Prishti Suni and he is my co-presenter Abdul Saeed with our team members Anurag Roy, Anish Ali, Vanaswata Das, Anushka Dev, Ariya Nadini, Ankur Jyoti Gura. We are here to present a poster on the topic of cadaver as a first teacher and hereby the previous.
Express their last rituals to contribute their body for sake of lining anatomy. And I would also like to thank all the professors and teachers who all the things learning and passing through all the future generations. Handed over to the medical building and the third is the dissection of the medical college. The place where we know as the where the gas is living. Although we have not included the unusual gossips, which are dissection of step for a new learner. In our medical line, this is a show the contributors to main contributors are Nagar and below we can classify that the body. So last year I went
I had some points to learn as a first teacher. The first point will be the direct observation and its learning. And the second point will be the 3D structures which we learned by the cadaver during the dissection classes.
What? You didn't explain this portion. Why?
This is skeleton of you see after 1 to 3 pages.
No, what is he begging?
No, he's not begging.
What is he doing? He's asking for something, huh?
He's asking for maintaining the privacy of a character. Myself, Krishna Suni, and I'm from District.
You are?
I'm from Jaggi Road.
You are from?
Jaggi Road. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anurag Roy. I'm from
Meghalaya?
Lanka.
Lanka.
Good morning, my name is Rihanna Devi, and I'm from DC. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anusha Devi.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Purti Bora, and I'm from Camping Sonata.
It is given out the ultimate gift of knowledge and understanding. And yes, I think most people will together. So myself, one of the teammates in the chapter of and they created a poster based on the topic, Cadaver Evolution. So as you know, he is also known as the father of Indian surgery. He is written a renowned known as the Professor, where he mentioned about different kinds of physical instruments.
I see, I remember, I know, I understand. The quote tells us that when we hear anything, we easily tend to forget. And when we see that,
Who said this? Okay. Give him the credit. I think you have written it.
Good morning to one and all present here, respected principal, Professor Dr. Susanna Ma'am, respected teacher of anatomy, Professor Dr. Musa Ma'am, respected HOD of physiology, Professor Dr. Divya Ma'am, respected professors and my dear classmates, myself, Maria Koy, along with my teammates, Arzi, Habiba, Mehdia, and Runa have prepared a collage on our topic, Cadaver as a first teacher. Now, I shall hand over my mic to Habiba for further presentation.
As a medical student, we enter the dissection hall with full of curiosity and attention. We know before as a body, it's not a body, it's a person in there who not only give us the study of about anatomy, it gives us like professionalism, then in ethics, a kind of which doctor will aspire to become. Now, in our college, we created and collected some pictures. They denote that dissection is not a new concept. It started for ages. Here are some pictures from the 16th and 17th century. Then we expressing the gratitude towards the cadaver. Then in the liver we wrote about the lessons from the cadaver dissection.
It includes some points like respect for the gift of life, then humility and gratitude, precision and patience, etc. Then last one is the kidney, where we wrote about the academic and clinical importance.
As future healthcare professionals, it is essential that we approach our work with humility, compassion, and deep respect for the human body. Caregiver teaches us lessons that we shall carry through our career. So let us remember that human body is not just a complex machine, but it is a testament of beauty, resilience, and it is a wonder of life itself. Thank you so much.
The lungs have gone down, no? Never mind.
So, once again, thanks to all. But I cannot go off without adding a small sour point to the wall.
So thank you so much, ma'am, for your support and for your love and everything. Thank you so much for that. And of course to Dr. Anna, this is very nice to the whole today's program, very nice.